In the last session, we have seen derivative of function of parametric form, and in this video we have to see the derivative of higher order derivatives. Now, what are the higher order derivatives? If f of x is a differentiable function of x on an open interval I, then derivative f dash of x is also a function on I. So, f dash of x may have derivative of its own denoted as f dash of x dash, that means f double dash of x, and this f double dash of x is called the derivative of second order. Now, for better understanding, we are going to take one example. Suppose a function that we have given y is equal to x raised to power 7. This is the general equation, simple equation that we have. Now, differentiate with respect to x, that is differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to dy dx of x raised to 7. Here we have used that formula dy dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to power n minus 1. Now, on solving this we get 7 x raised to 7 minus 1, that is x raised to 6. This is our f dash of x, that is dy by dx. Consider this is equation number 1. On again differentiating equation number 1, we are going to get the derivative of second order. Now, differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Again differentiate equation 1 with respect to x, then we will get dy by dx of dy by dx is equal to 7 is the constant. So, it will comes out 7 dy by dx of x raised to 6. Again applying this formula on this equation, this step we will get d2y by dx square is equal to 7 into 6, that is 42 x raised to 5, and this is our second order derivative of x raised to power 7. Now, after that we have some examples. The first example is y is equal to x cube plus 7x square minus 2x minus 3. Now, differentiate the given equation with respect to x. Solution: differentiate the given equation with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to dy dx of x cube plus 7x square minus 2x minus 3. Now, dy dx of x cube plus 7 is constant, so it will comes out 7 dy dx of x square minus 2, because 2 is constant, dy dx of x minus dy dx of constant, that is constant is 3. Now, derivative of x cube using the formula dy dx of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. This is the formula that we have to use to solve this question. So, 3 x square plus 7 as it is, derivative of x square is 2x, that is minus 2 into derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of constant is always 0. So, 3 x square plus 7 into 2 14 x minus 2 into 1 2 minus 0. So, this is dy by dx, but we have to calculate the derivative of second order, that is d2y by dx square, d2y by dx square. We can write this as derivative of derivative. So, that we have to calculate the derivative of this function, that is equation number 1. Now, derivative of 3x square plus 14x minus 2, 3x square plus 14x minus 2. On solving this, we get 3 dy dx of x square plus 14 dy dx of x minus dy dx of 2. Here 3 and derivative of x square is 2x plus 14 derivative of x is 1 minus 2 derivative of 2 is 0 because 2 is constant. Therefore, 3 into 2 6 x plus 14 minus 0. So, this is the derivative of second order, that is d2y by dx square, and this is required solution of the question of the equation y is equal to x cube plus 7x square minus 2x minus 3. Now, the second example is y is equal to log x e raised to 4x. Now, here we can see here there is a multiplication between two functions, and we should know the formula of differentiation of multiplication. I am going to write here before going to start the example, dy dx of u into v, that u and v are the functions here. U derivative of phi plus phi derivative of u. That means we have to get the as it is first term as it is and differentiate the second term, and then plus second term as it is and derivative of first term. So, now differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of log x into e raised to 4x. Now, apply this formula on this equation, that is first term as it is, that is log x, derivative of second term, that is d by dx of e raised to 4x plus second term as it is e raised to 4x and derivative of first term, that is d by dx of log x. Now, here we should know derivative of e raised to x is the e raised to x and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So, log x as it is, derivative of e raised to 4x derivative of e raised to 4x is equal to e raised to 4x, and 4x is the function. So, the multiply the function 4x and the derivative of 4x is 4. So, this will becomes 4 e raised to 4x, 4 e raised to 4x. Here 4 e raised to 4x plus e raised to 4x as it is, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. This is equation number 1, that is first derivative dy by dx. But we have to calculate the second order derivative, that is d2y by dx square. We can write this as 4 e raised to 4x into log x plus e raised to 4x by x. This is equation number 1. So, derivative of first derivative, that is 4 e raised to 4x log x, 4 e raised to 4x log x plus derivative of e raised to 4x by x, e raised to 4x by x. Now, here again we have to multiply the product rule and the quotient rule. Now, the quotient rule is that if u and v are the two functions, then first term as it is derivative of second term, denominator as it is derivative of numerator, that is d by dx of u minus u derivative of phi, and whole divided by denominator square. Okay. This is the quotient rule of differentiation. Now, here 4 is constant, so it will comes out 4 derivative of e raised to 4x log x is first term as it is e raised to 4x, derivative of second term, that is 1 by x, plus second term as it is log x, and derivative of first term, that is e raised to 4x, plus now here we have to apply quotient rule. So, the x derivative of numerator, that is d by dx of e raised to 4x minus numerator as it is e raised to 4x, and derivative of denominator, that is x. Here 4 e raised to 4x by x plus e raised to 4x log x plus derivative of e raised to 4x is 4 e raised to 4x, and this x we can write 4x e raised to 4x, and whole divided by x square, that we have missed derivative of not x square. minus e raised to 4x and derivative of x is 1, e raised to 4x and derivative of x is 1, so whole divided by x square. Now we can take common 4 e raised to 4x is common, one by x plus log x plus e raised to 4x common, four x minus 1, 4x minus 1 whole divided by x square. So this is the equation that we have solved. Now again we can take e raised to x common, but this is final answer. So d2y by dx square is equal to 4 e raised to 4x into 1 by x plus log x plus e raised to 4x into 4x minus 1 divided by x square, and this is the second order derivative of y is equal to log x e raised to 4x.